You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
You get me sleeping?
We are now here at Gozalandia in Puerto Rico, but I couldn't get too much footage coming here because it is a wild ride. Like, the roads literally can fit one car, and it's a 2-road lane, so you have to be very, very careful driving to this waterfall. So I definitely recommend that. That's recommendation for one. And I will also recommend getting here and getting out before it gets dark, because you are in the mountains and people are flying and you just don't want to risk it. All right, so that's my tips for this particular place. But we're about to go here and get some shots. I am actually packing kind of late. I'm going to do natural light. I am not setting up any lights right here, so it's going to be all natural light. It's pretty cloudy anyway, so it should work out pretty good. So let's see what we can get right here. That's where you was at?
Oh, yeah, we're down there.
Yeah. So it is some steps coming down to here. Oh my goodness. Yeah. That's it. Here we go. 1, 2. We got a reflection right here, so I'm trying to use this reflection. All right, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect. One, 2. So we got some shots, 135. How you feel so far about the shots?
Good, they're really cute. Sorry, I just went sleep.
All right, so you ready for the next set? All right, is it easy or hard? Be honest. Is it easy or hard for you to hear me when I'm directing you with this lens?
It's easy. Well, now I'm gonna get in the water.
Okay. But you can hear me pretty good? Okay. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect. One, 2. All right. Don't lean as hard. So come up a little bit. Yeah, right there. 1, 2. Let me get it one more. All right. Okay, so Tasi decided to go to the actual waterfall. and I got this 135, so I'm going to stay over here and get some shots with it. And SJ got her with the cheeks out. Mom's not liking it right here.
It might be her slippers. Yeah. I think I'm one of them. Say, Angelina, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Gemalia, let's go. Vámonos. No, she's not. She's buying time.
Yeah, Thasi. Which rock?
The one right in the middle.
Right in the middle?
Yeah, but there's no way. You'll have to cross that, and that'll take her. Ay, Dios mío.
Aventura peligroso.
Uh-oh.
1, 2, 3. Hold up. Yeah. Right. Start at the top.
She flipped. You did a front flip.
She said, "Oh."
Did I do it? No, when I was pulling, you did a front flip.
He was halfway there.
I thought you don't bend your legs. You bent it up and rolled.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. And first of all, I had to jump on this video and first say I'm so sorry for the shakiness of this video footage. Unfortunately, in this circumstance, I'm at a waterfall where I did not want to sit my stuff down or even put it on a tripod. So I had my Sony A7SIII in one hand like this, and then I had the Nikon Z8 and 135 Plena in the other hand, trying to get video and shoot at the same time. And so you can only see what that result would be. It was a pretty heavy setup, just trying to record and capture everything. So I apologize for that. That being said, the last few images that you saw were really just showing the distance that the 135 can cover. I think I consider those more of snapshots instead of something more creative or really utilizing the 135 for its strengths. So that distance was easily 35 to 50 feet away from me, and you see that 135 was still able to capture her in frame. Now there was a lot of blank space, but it isn't as bad as, say, like if it was a 105 or 85. Now fast forward into the beginning of the video where I showed some of the other images. That is where I really feel like this 135 shines. If you are a person like me who loves to shoot wide open, then 1.8 is definitely the f-stop for you. And you can just see the waterfall was the perfect location, as I mentioned, because I had such distance from that waterfall to where the subject was actually placed. And you see how I was able to compress and bring that waterfall straight to the background of the model, and it was perfect. I also had a lot of people that I was working around, and it helped in that instance too, because I didn't have to be as close up on things. So I love the 135 for that. Now, the reason why, if you've been watching my content for the last few videos, I have been testing several lenses. I already own the 85, but I've been using the 105 and the 135 to see if I need to add those to my kit. And so I think I'm almost there with making my decision. Now, if you use the 85, 105, or 135, I would definitely like to hear what you have to say in the comments below. And stay tuned for my video where I finally decide if I'm going to add the 105 or 135, or am I going to stick with my 85 and call it a day. So T to the M to the IDD. Till the next video. Peace.